Wow. Hello, hello, hello. One wapoy wang jotoa actually. Man again Chaka Leb Acholi. One wapoy wang iwilobo kamoy ken mutie. Wa welcome one ka join ka ngan mamira join mamira follow one anyinga Alice Abwoyo Okot and Lamera my co-host tie in a line Jackie Ikang.
Hello. It's been a while. Jotua actually dana wangitia ka kono occupy ngitia prepare for kina actually conference wal kono ngomati ya team angioko wala jumati gang kono gitia busy kaneno trial pa riak mashar wala angioko kumchani lakin put it button and jumo online mo mo miro penyi kin wagi join. Welcome to the show. I'm Jackline Ikang, of course, and man Chaka Leb Acholi. And I'm turning it over to my sister Abwoyo to lead us into a nice, well-needed topic, a timely topic. And what do you think, Abwoyo?
Mhm. Ah, one Chaka tua kombedi chaka mereko asa mi puony o winyo kibon ngan mo matie man watie lo about kwo mi wilogo. An podi banga
Mm-hmm.
bedi kwo mo romo ka weng mani angeo ga weng mi wilogo angeo ko. Lakini angeo kwo tek I wilogo. Wilogo kamo ma ibero chunyi bero ma yom lakini kwo tek. Tie jomo kene ma itam tugidong ni kuorong obuoyogi kila mono la wani life has defeated you but ki itamo mot ikuo tua weng ma wabedi wilogo ni kuo pangara chela chela miyo mapapat eni tin wachaka ni tie modo puony munu puony ma lo nywala kidana nywala puony man mi puonyo bene gang kwane ko Kwo mi wilobo eni tek kid ma dano tie kede. Kid ma dano tek ki life tugi I wilobo ni rubanga kero dano ni dano nyome, dano chako family, dano bedo kachel o gama papa duong I wilobo ni maro banga dongo pair dano tu. Or I should say ni okero tiero your life menu wa yang mo kero wachon. Lakin Chiro ki life menu ero ni gama duong tie katime. Madano gimiro give up. Gimiro dong kilaba chuli angeo ko how to say it. Ni tingo chingi malo surrender. Ni okay. Ano akwero live life eni. Inong ni life tech. Inong imero buoro nego. Ibuoro chiro. Koni buoro walotini peri o ibuoro dako peri. In just you wanna go or dako imero buoro lotini. Imero buoro chori. Imero chiro horong ni chiro ki yo pera chan life tech. Kid mo nongi tamo kede ni robanga nywalo in. Iwilobo kan life pero beri kede ni. Pe ka teme kiro ma ini tie kede ni. Iwilobo kane. Lakin I feel like dano ki kai chuni jingo chuni. Kai jingo chuni ma tek. Tam kon ka meru ki woru kid mage kwa kede. Kid in life tuki kid gimagi bero ka cherokee inongoni tie similar ki peri kid ma ini tie bero kede kono ki chuori nyo ki dako peri ki family peri per se inongoni tie similar lakin a parent toa gibero munu mono luongoni courage tek twin gibero achan mokene komberi bene gitia bero joma wa young a long time ago they got married giti bene odo lakin podi nongoni gitie kabedo kachiel bongi give up ikom lotini, bongi give up ikom marriage, bongi give up igimo eken, gilwenyo pi gama gin gigeno gingeo ni ero ni tie ikwo. Kadi beri ni ga time. Iwilo ni gamo pe malim ilim do kit all year round. No. It were ring a obstacle mokene. Obstacle bino. Gamo madongo bino ka block your way. Temptation give bino gama duong. Give bino. So it's up to you. Me nena ne. Kero ne kid maro banga mi irini. You should fight for it. Pay give up. I feel like life is very important to live. Kid dana mo kena tia tero ne ni karo ngimo no obalo yo peri. You should give up. And no life kira wen ero. You're gonna continue living that. Pay team ero. Them keep me you by all means. Kari in daho in la cho. Kono ini wunyo lo pa chuari ko. Chuari lo iri. You don't listen. Chuari waje iri ni tengini. Anamira ni beri keman. Like anytime peri kikuye anytime ni chuari. Maybe take a bully in or take a deal in pain. You will not listen to your husband. No, but submit to your husband. Then from there, gama duong chaka teme gaja chaka teme and no agigi mi kwane weng ero. Because one morning we experience a little bit, not with marriage, but bedo kila cho. Iga. I experienced a little bit of it, not a whole lot. But anatamoni, one dano, like as human, we give up so quickly. Kage mo bino radio tum. Kinene okwera chungan mo tum ngan mo reni okay. I'm done with it. Amero beneron ko, amero winyone ko. But atamoni munu opinion para. Amero dano mo kene wako kuja take a different opinion how to live life. You keep meeting over. Yeah. So munu opinion para ma tamoni. People should not give up in life. Life is very important. Life is very beautiful. Life is a good thing. Marobanga miani dano live. It's a very, very beautiful thing. Ina ye robanga trust in me in life need to guide it. Jalo ochuala mia iri a pot of flower. Just a handed iri. So what are you gonna do with it? Mire on P tell G will blossom every day. Ka flower ma take a different color will blossom, will bloom, ma bear, ma link. No on your P tell G. Like in got on me iri flower, in no guy flower and even a guy. Even a timo gemoko, look flower, even plant their life. You have to talk to them. They can hear you. So anatamoni in life is that way. That's my opinion. Like in not even an opinion that out there. Mamiro wajane to edit to it, or maybe they see life different. You're welcome to discuss that. But anatamo tingo tino one calamera figure like, listen, life. One way what you live through it. Ngan mo can economy will more can come you living life. Ipe ka berni bera tano no like in tia beru. Ka beru equal angeko hard to live life. Leb Acholi. Yeah. So and keep munu anatamoni. Today we will discuss life. So angeko how your opinion in this all this life thing.
The good thing about topic any one will be in the same family. Most of court wa ma wabiro ka live wabiro ka biro iwi loboni obiro and within the same family unit yala kwa nyo timo mo biro ka timo ikomwa gamo ma wakaro gie mo miro giko kwa twa experience obiro within our family maduong waneno. The good thing about it, what the discussion in one and each other go through gamma pat as a family, wanna chill any. Topic is bad because it can touch on so many things. Gamma doom to be in the topic any. He touch on look more, me better get call not giving up. Better get gene call peri. Nyom. He touch on that too. Or peri ki better ni better relationship. Miracha wen kono wudada ukat wuri neno the beauty of kwa munu committee a berging a morning. Itamala chin no ukat no backo. Like in the moment, itamni backo. Like he said, a tour in put at that moment. nen chala ture bene ko nen chal ngone gene chal mi wani kech ke okay nen chal mo ma kech wa kumi kwer bene wala kono
Okay.
chera wala kono koro nen do ko chala ture malenko at the moment kon ki you know struggle munu storm munu kardon ilari te yinya green pasture kamo kene ibinen ka ture muno bloom oh shoot ture para do danga ka ja oh shoot but ada ture para danga the good thing about life is not circular, it's not linear, right? At any point you try to do a chin, excuse me, I'm Dati in New York City, or the tea across the street, they got Clara, who we know. Um, at any point, life try to do in chin, come on. It could be in the same point where in a two in a corona. It could even be before that. It could be that now a tour in a dongo, a tour do binan in jalo koro. Karina karnia, remember be equerary boran. It did do chin pingo, life a do in chin. Sure mo young man, I think you made a point about it before. Muno watino, well lurry gangi gankon ganena 3 p.m. As the world turns. Ko? We love a weire. Nina mo, kina nina ne peri, ga wurma bear. Ngamo itu money tia suffer, imoti atimo en. We love wire, ko ndo ngachane o kama ching tie ye ching tie shani kome. Ino ke do kama ngi. Inge ko. Yeah. It can strike you at any moment. Teen no going back to yom. This going to a collapse ga poro ribi. Iwi. Ito duru. That's it. Okay. Into you take go. You think what you mama rubang I give up. Pingo ginang it you don't make it. Hello, Dana Wang. Going up collapse. Man nga timo ngo. Pingo nga channel uti timo mabe lawyer an. An kuru. Ko para tuero gine diga oping. Ngat channel mo ngo yang bine bo keri bine kono kere. Kono bo tim ngo pingo do ko pera ti malaloy par anu ka por bilo ngat erone. Ko can take you in any direction. You just have to be prepared for it. You have to work at it. It's not something that is beautiful all the time. We don't live in a world of milk and honey. We want milk and honey all the time, but and then everything that glitters is not gold, right? America, kind of. Yeah. At any point, at any point, you just have to be prepared. And ko beru gumuno. Gina la we mo yang wa winyo mo wati kanya US. Tito rapper like in DMX. La choni mara me a lot of message iwe pere wa maro as kids message duong muno no bere latin kich abu ber mo go eno safa mara je yo we mo bi wa ningo life is about finding meaning in the suffering. Okay. Yes. Destination me happiness at pay. It's not a destination. It's not a time. Happiness oka 30 years old. Happiness oka 50. Happiness oka retired 65. Gumuroko. Meaning on it. It are finding meaning in suffering. Mun matter banga where it are going through storm munune. And happiness it yeah. Ki rieko beni neno kinaneko. Ineno meaning echo behind suffering erani. Life's journey is all about making meaning of suffering munu. So kang amotia would kiri kwa munu. Ngare la bala da. I can say that it's okay. You can move on. Right? No nga pero mo tie kamukena. It's okay. Lakin ki nene ngare beneti ateme. Imeniti ateme. Give it some time. BTO. Because at some point, no nga mo gimotia pushing back in your pay relationship, you pay family more, ma will look me discover nga motia going through my bed, gonna clearly. Itam nga money tia galo in kono tia kero kono strain komi strain ko piri. Inge ko nga nga tia go through it gonna on their own. Kabo share. So we got to gossip about ngari. Your email kitty relationship ngari gaga look about ngari. You look wow. Chara been like this. Daga para been like this. Chiri down when I'm in a conference kujo will kono kind. Mira chak look it out. Daga para useless. Kono ngongogi. Ko not knowing gimon ngotie kono partner peri bo share wing. Gitama maybe gitwara bino boriko ka share information kon ring a ha wala kon ukera ha wala whatever the case may be. So you have to be ngamo twara bino mi look about ngama giti going through a poor to it. Can we be in the same house? It can't bring you ngamo pota. Yeah, one day it's gonna catch you off guard. Bag ngani no ibero gumuta. You mean all this time you couldn't cheating? Bang Or you mean all this time kono tam we tie parikoma? Taruma biro ka chiel teaching on benefiting on. So kwa anena ni it can take different directions at any point, and it can impact life pangamoke can. Whether get those siblings, get the parent and child, well get the partners in life. Even in authority figures, mo chal kono gang kwan gi la pon gi lo ti can students better. Something like that. But qual can impact anybody. Abiro ka loge family members to mo gang kuya. Ibero ka wajan kinwa ko loka kere after wa ge Africa. Yang watamani ko to was so beautiful gang kuya kiradongo wala those camps. Anjara ko kawana family bino America. It was so beautiful to me as Latin. Like in parents wala watana beauty ne doko. Juo mi beri ko ka wachiri wilo ko mun doko bela ka wa bero kanye camp. Akin ko mun jumo magi dong chenita doko asi ani doko chalgiti peace. They don't have everything you think you would need to survive. Like they do, they have enough. Sometimes you don't need to have a lot to have enough. They make it work. And then it can more time one know what take abundance. Kono mi chena wala mi ngone mi resource ngongo kan bin wati lo pa muni. What? Ko adi wa kanye. Wilo mun wana wa bino ye kono wa biber wa malo we gonna high rise. Ko luanga bene be nga chiamwen bina iriri automatically bene. You don't have to lungone. Iguri bene ngam donko. What worry we am? Grass bene pe.
Jesus.
40 years later, everyone else the world turns it, huh? Come to find a piece of tea gang tua, you will over to. Qua the tea gang tua, loa qua can you low pa loroke. Can what take a suffering pole. But again, we're gonna message pa DMX say, life is about finding what? Meaning in the suffering. Right? Why are you suffering? Find a meaning. What's the purpose of it? Maybe no mira ni pass through gonna face it. Maybe mira ni dire man no. Wala koni lockdown. Wala koni no ngamoti so me pirti ka mo. Teach mo ni mo no mira ke kete ti ka mo. Inanga you need to push yourself just a little bit. Dogola mo na punga ko wang od mira yabi wang ori donji wang od. Just push kami man nok no rubang mira push kami man nok. So what is the meaning of suffering? What is the purpose? That's how I see it. Life. What do you think?
Is wonderful. What is beautiful if we know how to live it. Okay, neo keep me better. A qua keep me tero qua. Qua is very delicate. One mistake, qua bale. Kari matiri kemane. Qua peri bale complete. Qua peri beri think ma no chuni yo mi take ga wen walai arabia peri ninge bene iwilobo jomo nge bene ko bongo don wa yang I di arabia no lakini niti adwane. Qua peri is beautiful. Lakin the moment ikwanyo kwo eroni mawiyo wilo gimo mate kan one mistake otum kwo peri eroni oloka upside down. That's it, it's done. Now don't kid my in don't give up kere cause give poroni like you said earlier give poro I don't need the thing that's it muno kira wang air mero ge boare lakin like I said one nail girl wanko equal padano iwilobo kanye but experience to kid ma water kere until now what ye kere and we are mature now we understand how life works. Not 100%, but at least one nail. Kari poro wakani di bu kamo poro eromi poro ni pe tam to peri ni aporo ti ati di buro ngati ato. Think about the glory mo wegi poro kuyeni. There's a reason mo wegi poro kuyen. Either robanga miro nyuru what do you call it? Grace. Miro nyuru grace pere on you. Or glory pere miro shine on you. Or robanga miro use in for something. Iporo kuyeni aho mod. Yue komi kadilo nyeri in kaka. Arange wilobuka nye dahache dana mara nyera wagi. Don't laugh at your brother, your sister, your neighbor. Ngan mo can pay nye. One way what the same boat. We are all in it. And at time on life, bet. Dano need to have patience with life. I can damo kena gitamoni. Anaquero T, Aquero better 50, Aquero better 60. Life, Emira non ko very really have to live it. The beautiful life, Tia kind. Have patience with life. Have patience with life. You find the sweetest life ever. Tia is there. Just the patient was. Jan kani wa duang nire pa Rubanga. Rubanga Tia ke chapere. He have his own time. Rubanga tie ki cha permi bless in. Ikelo anything. Your miracle. God will prosper you in his time. You know, go when me meroni ko o cha ne maro bangeni, that's a good time for you. Cause come here early when you might kill yourself. It all before time. No you twin any ero no joy ero. So I feel like life down a more one year and teach your children about life. Gimo ko time equal peri mi ni tamoni okay life is over inge lotini the panic giko kela very close why listen God time kimani kalagi give it a few days give it a few a month you be all right pero mo buar latino oh my God otum nang kira wen ero nen kong latini kong kiro bala kere ne mono teach palatini then latino boro gankwana latino temo ngo chuni unen ko do you know the struggle latini going through no you don't bongi logi ka latin peri bongi punyen how to this life
so goes to the point ma podi mera wa be to discuss in session ma TF4 look me trauma kwa wow itiegi trauma not only one mawa binagi South Sudan monye but also gina lotini lotini it is the end of the world especially mo magi down kanyeko imo timogin miseko just ki sar feel I don't get depressed akwara chere kan kon whatever it's the end of the world we hanere come something like that tamo ma pat bino do ngiti lobo ma pat I don't know ka giriti atime gang kuja like kono Uganda, South Sudan, Acholi community, come on, can lakin kimi dealing with trauma, yellow down when including Lotini toa. Trauma ne could be any event. It could be kono relationship, be kono boyfriend or a girlfriend, or like kono homina with a lamina, with a auntie and uncle, with a kono gangkwan jar, wangi ko ngoma gamo tim gangkwan lo goy dwato chimko. Inga ko ngoti atimi gangkwan ko latin periti a bit of bully, no kon been waji giriko. You take a tugu video game. It could be like a bully online. So every day, kono gi wani akwera chiri gangkwan yo gini na all day ngo nigi tie depressed. Lakin gi gonya loke iri koni ngo pinga tie depressed. Kwa me value kwa mira waluhi about it. Waga klalilinko. Koski share look peri. Kwa peri nyo struggle peri kun kwanya ngamo kene. Kari lo tini peri. Ano gang ko lo goro lo tini ko to look about kwa kin ma kwa better take it me because ko ni ngane ngalanya wane ngane wala odera beri wang lo ponya wo be ko wang wala wang maj kin mi beri ko lakin no struggle mi ko do they touch them struggle mi ko how to manage struggle mi ko because struggle mi ko ben ti gang mi lo go to achane gang achuli struggle ben ti mi lo poloro kama wati ye ka wati go holo tini to aye trauma stress through event mo go through kono nga mo toy family wa yang ko gi tamo gimo time gan kwan gimo time kuni afla wala kono nga social media kare one parents been wa go through walo kilo tini to ako anya tamri mom to atia go through a lot of stress because then I go through a lot of sasu na kayenya wane wa yang bo look about it wa yang bo look about it wata la liling kere gi pain erene so atamani ko hit be manage struggle me ko Mira wa talk about it openly, even within a Choli community. Mira wa touch on look me trauma, look me mental health. But not parents struggle, grandparents struggle, ancestors struggle. Gamma go through. I think no community to a young one a job. Go through depression or stress, gonna trauma, heavy episodes. Gonna one. I'm gonna jock. Go. No, why they gonna ngari need therapy. No neno gi mo nyo gi mo time come wale con family ber wale nga wega bero gumun kono mara ko ma dum kono lo kene kono bero kene nina all day loko choma bene ko ngani stressors mogo wala signs of stress wala depression wala trauma lakin lo look about it ko community to as much munu mera wa jak ya bodo gola we touch on those type of influence equal a life to as a truly community. You come one way, parents, grandparents, Lotini, parents, grandchildren, one way. Me do look about that. Keep what to preserve core to the community by touching on issues and struggle. More modernity go through. You will love one.
Yeah, that's very true. Down a little, the suffering. Laliling. Gitie, they know themselves. They know what they're going through. Gimatia timogini ginge lakin. Logone wa anatamoni because inki bino ki look personal look peri bon and more to discuss nine and anatia girl kimanti kateme life para and kiman that's why nano kwa para kiman. Some people get tamo, which is true. Kai geno ngate ko ichi wajo chuni bon ngare lotero ini anyera. I feel that's the problem. Lotero ini anyera in a street lo ngamo lo kuburong and problem pay ko pay mi chero kero bon ngamo ni gikubo gani ni okay nen ai winyo lo pangari wala waje ira kage talk kere kinyero. That's not a good thing. And would gimande one is right there. Kao no dana when clear with open mind, open heart, and have respect. Ikom trauma pangan mo or problem matia go through, you have to respect that. Ko bino wade iri, please. Keep it between because of trust in that much. Okay, problem matia. Maybe they are calling what I call and me and ko. I feel like dano nero eronite kateme nobody ngamo pema mero bino ni jang or in tinka bino irawane my sister nen girl kemantia tika tema I'm going through this through that in ka advice tie to era wajane ira that's not mean ka waji iri wa hang up the phone or wallo kemano tung anything o timre out ni wulu i winyo Man
Mm.
eni, then la mera mi Abwoyo tim gimo wala wunye look ere, niero kakak, in a hila, ininge koni in itia neongan mon silent. You're killing the
Mm.
person mo wali loki. En gima
Mm.
nego wani ero.
Mm.
Dana talk, kede don't need to aberi kede lane. Eh? I go through it, be quiet.
Mm.
Maybe
Mm.
it's gonna get better, or either
Mm.
even if I money or talk, or never come. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so don't an hour, 1 minute and a half. Me closing. It's happening or any meanwhile yabi another session to talk about this core and all the different aspects of core and gonna impact more based on kidma actually look about each other, the community. Meanwhile be look another topic on
Mm-hmm.
money fully
Yes.
with maybe
Mm-hmm.
guests and audience more
Yeah.
including marriage. Joma gi tola le ling or gi luor pien dana kun gossip kun gi twelve ben a voice ko concern to king oti ati mega pien gi luor ni kon dana gonna talk about it lo koro dano in yom too so gi tola le
Exactly.
ling in yom mo ma bene useless so what we
Mm-hmm.
talk like chin you topic in
Yeah.
actually community boy
Yes.
you want to close it off 1 minute.
What boy, wound look, mama doing pay, and man, knock, I can team our being here. But decide I feel like Chaka, what you look, true meaning of things is very important. So, one
Yes.
in, one another session more, will be look more about this.
Mm.
One what boy.
Mm. Okay, thank you Apwoyo.
No
You
problem.
guys have a good night, Julie. Stay
Yeah,
tuned.
good night.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.